So today we'll be talking about the crop tool, how to use the crop tool in Photoshop. And then from here, you can come to, this is the crop tool here. Look at this section. Come to your crop tool. Let me see. This is your crop tool here. When you select it, this is it's showing crop tool. The moment you select your crop tool, it shows you an outer layer. This layer section here. Come to this particular section, drag it in, and you see it is dragging. The two of them are dragging in. Like once you hold from any point, you drag it. And if you want to eliminate that, you make use of shift. If you use shift, for instance, cancel. Let's cancel it. If you are dragging like this, continue dragging, continue dragging. You can actually use shift and control, control to move some sections. Let's let's drag and see. So you can crop like this to that particular section you want, and then press enter. When you press enter now, you have gotten a perfect crop. It's just to chop out one aspect of an image. I will still drop my image in the description so that you can use it, or you can use any particular image at all in your resource file. Any particular image is not restricted to this image though. Alright, but I would still drop it, no problem. So this is one way of how to crop an image. If you want to crop out, you want to further crop out like this, crop my hand, bring it in. Let's crop it, press enter, and then you have successfully cropped it. And this is how nice it's looking. And then the next tool we're talking about the perspective. This is the frame tool, but I want to talk about the perspective. Look at the perspective here. I have a video on it which I've done, so I'll just put the link of that perspective video in. Then from there we'll continue. Thank you, and this is the first time on this channel, please subscribe.